Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about TPS. So as part of operations, let us look at what is Toyota production system all about and how it is useful for industries and why it is so popular. So hope you all agree that always there is a better way to make product, and if so, will be very useful for delivering with best quality, lowest cost, shortest lead time, best safety, high morale. So here comes lean manufacturing systems. So one of the best in the world, which is nothing but lean. Lean is nothing but the waste, eliminating the waste. So what is this waste all about? Sometimes waste can be overproduction also. Hope you all agree with me. So this will lead to loss to the company in terms of profits. So how do we avoid this? So this can be achieved by two basic principles. They are JIT and Jidoka. So let us look into details of these two principles. So JIT is nothing but just in time. So let's take an example of a supermarket where you see a lot of products in the racks, where shop owners will keep refilling the racks as and when the customer purchase the products. So this similar kind of a process is now mostly used in all manufacturing industries and also some service industries, which is called just in time. So produce only what was needed and how much was needed and only when it was needed. Any deviation is considered as waste. So this is all about just in time. So now let us look at about Jidoka. So during production, if workers find any problems, they should instantly stop the work, stop producing it, and then senior team will come and fix the problem. So this can be done? So there are various methods. So as and when there is a problem, so immediately the worker can pull the andon, that is called andon pulls, pull cord if any problem. Then supervisor will get alert and he will come and he may bring some technical team to fix the problem. So how they fix the problem? They use RCA, which is root cause analysis, 5 ways technique. This is one of the technique they use. So where they will find actual root cause for the problem by asking why 5 times. So always it doesn't require to ask why 5 times. So sometimes you may find actual root cause after asking 3 times, and sometimes you may go up to 7 times as well, which is the maximum. So based on this, we find the root cause, and then they will identify what is the corrective action and what is the preventive action, and then they will implement. So such continuous small improvements by employees or supervisors or technical staff is also called Kaizen. Kaizen means continuous improvements. So let us look at some of the other terminologies that they use in this process. So we looked at RCA, we looked at Kaizen, we looked at Anden pulls. So what is Kanban? Kanban means in Japanese, the meaning of Kanban is signboard. So this is used for parts supplied by outside supplier, which indicates name of the supplier, receiving area, used point inside the plant, part number, part name, quantity, etc. And also a barcode is used to issue an invoice based on the actual part usage. So then, what is this Hejunka practice? So it helps in spreading out the demand for parts as evenly as possible and synchronized the assembly line with the ultimate sales of products manufactured. And Muda is actually means waste, so refers in management terms to a wide range of non-value added activities. So this is all about Toyota manufacturing lean manufacturing system. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments in comment section, like, share and subscribe and press bell icon to watch latest videos. Thank you. See you next time.